Hi, welcome to this ITS teaching and learning video on alternative text. Alternative text is a brief description of images and graphics. It's also an essential part of making content accessible to all students and faculty. When adding images or icons or other graphic elements, make sure to add this alternative text so that it'll be accessible to all users. Some of the alt text best practices are keeping it short, 1 to 2 sentences. Don't really overthink it. Just try and keep it as brief and simple as possible. Consider the key elements of this image and why you chose it, instead of describing every single little detail. There's also no need to say image of or picture of a hamburger or other thing in your alternative text, but do say if it's like a logo, illustration, a painting, or even a cartoon. There's also no need to duplicate text in the alt text that's like adjacent to the image, and always end the alt text with a period. Now, moving over to your Brightspace course and adding alternative text there, where most students will be able to interact with it. So I'm just gonna go to content, and then in your folder of choice, we're gonna create a new. We're just doing a page for this example, and then we're going to add an image using the insert image. It can be any of these options. I'm just gonna go to my computer and then drop a file in, and we're just going to add it. And once we click add, we're going to see this image where it says provide alternative text. Provide alternative text for the image. This text should convey the same information as the image. Now, of course, if this image has no information and is not relevant at all, you can just mark it as decorative and always once you mark it as decorative, you're not allowed to add alt text. However, if we uncheck that, we can add alt text. We're just going to say it is a man giving a thumbs up, and add that with a period. We're going to click OK. We're going to click create a new file, and there's our man giving a thumbs up. Now, if we want to change that alt text, since alt text is something that can be changed based off the context. For example, if the context is saying like, hey, book referencing his shirt, we go to image options, and we can change the alt text by going into general, in a blue shirt, giving a thumbs up, and then we just click save, and then that is our new alt text in the Brightspace editor. However, maybe you're not using Brightspace and you're using Microsoft Word. Word has a great feature where if you right click on the image, you can view the alternative text. Right now, there's nothing in there. However, they have an AI feature that allows you to generate alt text. We're going to give it a second. A person giving a thumbs up. That's pretty good. We're going to end it with off of a period. And there's our alt text in Word. Now, if we close it out, we can save this as an accessible PDF, which we have a knowledge base article on. And thank you for giving your time. Have a great day.